Hello, all of you. My name is Smruti. Your coach from Smruti's Knowledge is present here. So, we are learning the chapter Environment of Class 7 and the Geography chapter of NCERT. So, this is the part 2. I have made the part 1. Without any delay, let's start. So, yes, in this video, the learning outcomes are human environment. What is human environment? We will learn. Then next is conclusion, and then we will do the NCERT exercises of this chapter. Now, what is human environment? Can anyone tell? Like, human environment consists of all humans that interact with the environment and modify it for their adaptation and need. So, all human beings need a specific place to live, need money to survive, need all the necessary things like the food, water, air to survive. So, to survive, we have to interact with our environment. Yes, so and we have to modify our environment for our adaptation and according to our needs. Clear? Now, this modified environment is called human environment. When the humans modify their environment for their adaptations and according to their needs, that is known as human environment. Clear? Now, next is some points that modification in the environment does not take place instantly. Means, if we want to modify our environment, it does not take short time to modify. It needs a long time. Early humans were adapted to natural surroundings, leading a simple life. So, how without any technology, how early humans were adapted? They are adapted and lead a simple life. Now, with the passage of time, their needs grew. Means humans also also have some desires, needs, and they grew. So humans learn new ways to use and change environment and modify environment according to their needs. Now, some ways are that growing crops for food and domestication of animals also. Next, humans learn to lead a settled life. Before humans were leading a nomadic life, but now they learn to lead a settled life. Now the wheel was invented, surplus food was produced by farming, barter system also emerged. So the trade started and the commerce developed. Now the industrial revolution also uh, developed and that enabled the large scale production of a particular thing. Also, transportation became faster because of the wheel invention. Information revolution made communication easier across the world. Now, what is the conclusion behind it? Both humans and environment are interrelated with them. Both humans and environment were interdependent on each other. So, we need a perfect balance in the environment. So, human beings must learn to live and use their environment in a sustainable way, in which they may not be able to destroy more the natural environment. Now we will do our NCERT exercises, then we will complete our chapter. So the first in this NCERT exercises, We have 4 categories. Yes. Answer the following questions. Take the correct answer, match the columns and give reasons. So the first is answer the following questions. The first question is, what is an ecosystem? And here we have the answer. What is an ecosystem? You have to remember this, because means this question like 99% guarantee will come in an exam, because this is an important question in this chapter. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a system which is formed by interaction of living and non-living things, and they are connected by the transfer of energy and materials. Next question is, what do you mean by natural environment? So the answer is that the natural environment is encircled or comprised of the world of living organisms. For example, plants and animals, fauna and flora. Flora refer to the plant, fauna refer to the animals, and the world of non-living uh, living things. Now, which are the major components of the environment? The answer is, the major components of the environment are, the environment consists of 3 major components. What are they? They are natural components like the land, water, air and living things. Those are natural components, means the components which are made by nature. Human made components, the components which are made by human components, the components which are related to the emotions and sentiments of human beings. Yes, so human made components are building, park, bridges, roads, monuments, industry, etc. Human components, individual, religion, political situation, family, education, community and economy. The next question is, give 4 examples of human made environment. Easy. The 4 examples of human made environment are buildings, parks, bridges and roads. The next question, what is lithosphere? The answer to this question is that the lithosphere is the outermost solid surface of the earth, which is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. And also remember this, that lithosphere is also made up of some landforms. Next question, which are the 2 major components of the biotic environment? The 2 major components of the biotic environment are plants and animals. The next question is, what is biosphere? So remember that biosphere is a sphere in which life exists. Means it is a narrow zone of the earth where the land, water and air interact with each other for supporting of lives. And the next we will do in the next class. So for today, this much. Thank you and have a nice day. And remember that to attend the next class of this chapter, that is the, we will do the second section, third section and fourth section. Okay, bye.